Hey there, I was sent over this scraper to test and try out. These work great for scraping off glass and other surfaces that might have a sticky label on them or something like that. So this one is plastic, but it has grippers on the side. These are rubber, so it makes it easy to hold, and it's actually indented a little bit on each side, so it makes it comfortable to use. When you slide it about halfway up, that actually will give you the blade, which is enough blade to use. If you are changing the blade, then it gets pushed all the way up and then your blade slides out, so you can slide a new blade in. This comes with 20 extra blades. Each one inside is individually wrapped in cardboard around the sharp end of the blade. To replace the blade, it just gets slid back into its place, and then it gets retracted back to about the halfway point and it's ready to go. It can also be hung on a pegboard, so it's easy to find. If you're looking for a new scraper with plenty of extra blades to keep you going for a while, maybe this is the product for you.